What's up? It's ido1. Today I will show you how to ruin the paint on your car.
Step 1. Find a really dirty road. Smudge your car very good. Keep on doing it till you're satisfied. Here is an example of my beautiful work. Then go to a car wash and start washing the dirt off with a high pressure wash without using a sponge, Bob. Oh, sorry. Without using a sponge. Okay, and...
So now the car is super clean, right? No! Take a look at it. Do you see these little dots? They're just on the same spot where dirt was used to be. You're probably thinking, well, it's easily washing off. Well, let's try it. I have a sponge here and a little bit of soap.
Куда ты хочешь, малыш? Ты куда-то хочешь ехать, Филипп? Или как?
So they don't come off and your paint is ruined. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah, mission accomplished. Well, actually, I was very worried about it and tried the hand sanitizer. And actually, if you spill it on a car bit and then you squeeze it with your finger like that, it makes the situation better. So there is another way of using your hand sanitizer. That was ido1, and thank you for tuning to this channel, and see you next time. Bye. I'm gonna go that way. I know that way. I'm gonna that to. Okay.